Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is unboxing the Obsbot tail air itself. As you guys can see, it comes in a really nice box. This box also outlines some of the items that you will find in the box. You will find the tail air, you'll find a storage case, USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-A adapter. You will also receive a USB-C male to USB-C female splitter. You'll receive a quick starter guide, and you'll also receive your warranty card. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so the first thing you take notice of in the box is going to be your documentation. You will find an extensive manual on this camera in multiple languages. This comes in extremely handy. You receive this really nice rugged case, single zipper. It does have a built-in wrist strap and an additional lanyard holder or carabiner if you want to attach that. One of the first items that we receive is your USB-C to USB-C cable. We also receive our USB-C to USB-A adapter. We also receive our male to female splitter. One is for connecting to your camera. The other one is to provide power to the camera. And we receive the camera itself. As you guys can see, the case is designed to safely allow you to carry your camera with confidence and still be able to have your accessories in the same case. Let's take a look at the camera. As you guys can see here, we have some branding for Obsbot here. We have our battery indicator right here on the front. Your mode indicator is this panel that you see right here in the very front of the camera. As we come around, we have our 3.5 for connecting your microphones. On the rear of the device, we have our USB-C. Now this will work for transferring data as well as connecting it to your computer. As we come a little further around, you guys can see that we also have an SD card slot and we have a micro HDMI connector here as well. This camera also has two built-in microphones located here and here. Now this is a pan, tilt, zoom camera. That means it can pan, it can tilt, and it can also digitally zoom. Let's remove the film off of the lens. Now you will need your smartphone for the initial setup. So that can be an iPhone or an Android device to set this up. But once you have set this camera up, you will not need your smartphone app again unless you choose to use some of the additional features that the smartphone app will bring to you. All right, guys, so this is an unboxing of the Obsbot Tail Air. Thank you for watching.